Alright guys, so I know I said I wouldn't turn on my Dialga and Palkia Switch Lite until the games came out, but I've become too impatient and I decided I wanted to set it up for a video. So this is going to be a first startup and setup of the Dialga and Palkia Switch Lite. And there's not going to be much different with this setup because it's like any other Switch or Switch Lite. The setup process is all the same. You're just going to be picking your region, all that kind of stuff. But without further ado, let's get right into it. I have not turned it on since getting it and unboxing it, but at the very least, I have the case on. I just made a video unboxing and kind of installing it, even though it's only a few snaps and clicks on to get. Oh shoot, this is why you guys need a case. Alrighty, anyways, let's get right into it. Power buttons on the top like you would expect. Hopefully there's some charge, and yes there is, so you're greeted with the Nintendo sign. And you could see me in the reflection, but I don't mind. I'm pretty used to being on camera, especially because I do have a main channel, which is a car one. Anyways, so it's gonna ask you to pick your language. Mine is English, but for Japanese people this says Nihongo, which means Japanese. But I'm gonna pick English because my Japanese is not even that good. It's not even close to where I'd want it, but let's go to English. And then here are the regions. I don't know about you guys, but I'm in the Americas, so I'm gonna pick Americas. You press this. Usually, people, for legal purposes, you're supposed to read it, but I'm not gonna read that. It's probably like 50 pages. Alrighty, so now it's telling you to connect to the Wi-Fi. I will do this off screen. So we just got the Wi-Fi connected. Now it's gonna ask what time zone. So this is gonna kind of tell you guys where I'm from, but it's okay. It's a pretty big city, or a big state. So yes, I'm gonna pick Los Angeles. And then you could do a me, but well, I guess I'll start off with this one. Let's just make it off of the channel. Let's see. Probably gonna go more options because I don't like any of those characters. Let me know in the comments below what you guys used for your avatar, but the ones that most people use I don't really like. Okay, options are super limited. I don't like Splatoons. I don't really play Animal Crossing. I know that's kind of crazy because that is one of the most popular games out for the Nintendo Switch, but yeah, I am mostly a Pokemon and Smash player, so I guess I'll go with Bowser. Background, let's go with kind of like this gray one, so let's go with that. I'm gonna use let me use my initials. Let's see. Nah. Let me just use let's see. Wait. Oh, it's perfect. This is perfect. It's the full character limit. We'll do that probably later. Let's see. Nope, not adding another user. Let's skip that. I don't need a parental control. Alright, so the setup is complete, and now you press the home button. And here's my new Switch. It's exactly what you'd expect from it. All the menu items are below. Let's see how much battery we have. So 36%. They didn't really charge the battery much, which is to be expected. Usually you would have to charge it yourself, but I knew there was some charge and I'm okay with turning it on. Oh, also this Switch comes with 25 gigs of system memory, which is a slight upgrade. Theme, I'm gonna go the black. because I like the darker themes and stuff like that. But other than that, I think that's it for the setup. It was a shorter video, but I wanted to get a little setup because I was getting eager and I've been waiting for the games. It feels like forever, so I just wanted to get a little startup video just so that we can get this thing set up for the Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl, which is going to be the next unboxing. But if you guys are excited for that, make sure to leave a like and comment so that I know, that you guys are looking forward to that game, and I'll be unboxing it for the channel and doing a first startup on this specific Nintendo Switch because I just thought it would be fitting to start the game on this Switch because I mean it's the Switch they released with the remake, so it just makes sense. But anyways, I hope you guys like these videos. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated with more Nintendo and tech type of videos. But without further ado, I'm gonna be heading out, so I'll see you guys in the next upload.